In this video I'm going to show you how to put together this little mini football treat box. So it's just a little curvy box that's football themed. It's a freebie from free SVG from Simply Crafty SVGs, which you can get from simplycraftysvgs.com, one of our mini freebies. So you can try our files if before you buy, if you want to purchase anything. So this is just a football theme of a curved box, and they go together really simply. And these boxes are good for holding like little pieces of candies, like little kisses or something like that, that you can just put in here. It closes up real simple, fast to make. So the way we're going to do this, we have a couple pieces. The file comes with an optional Go Team thing here, tag that you can actually print and cut if you want. Or there's a blank one included to put your own, you could put your team name or something like that, or create your own tag, but it comes with this tag. So we're just going to go ahead and layer on the one that's print and cut. So it's not suitable to cut the Go Team. It is a file that truly is something you need to use on your printer if you have a print and cut capable machine. Otherwise you can put your own thing on the tag or don't use the tag at all. Just trying to center it. And then for this, because it curves over to close, kind of want to rub it here, like burnish it, and it'll curve it. Nice thing about paper, and I'm using American Craft cardstock, which is 80 pounds, but I like it. It's got a good look to it. And with the other ones, I had like a little up here. I'm just going to manually fold it back to close it rather than having a little score. It just makes it faster, easier, and then it's not it's kind of a gradual, so it'll go like that. And we'll go ahead and add the little football tops to each side. So I just embossed it to give it a little texture to it and dimension. And it fits right in that little area. I didn't get that centered, so just trying to get it centered. So make sure you center it. When you emboss things, they get a little, I'm just going to do that one more time. It kind of changes the shape sometimes, so this should fit right in on there. And then the other side. So I'm just pushing it, make sure I line it up. It's not lined up exactly, it's okay. But it is fit to do that. So I didn't get the other one. It's not my lineup day. And then the other thing is, so it's going to go like this. And you can put a little Hershey Kisses or something like that, or something small like that. And then this is going to, you kind of push it down and slide it through. So you do that for both sides. So that's how it's going to close, but we need to put those little stripes on. So you want to be careful about that. Most likely you're not going to be opening and closing it like me. Or people won't be. Then we're just going to add the stripes to the side. So you can just do them one at a time. This is not a new idea. It just thought it would be a good freebie. Something that people could easily make, and you could do it quickly for a like a Super Bowl party or a football party. I should say American football because I know football is soccer to some people. So I'm making this in a team color. I didn't line it up right. You can take a guess. I have family in Wisconsin. And then we do the other side, and then we'll go ahead and you can tie the tag on if you want to use the tag, or you could personalize it, put people's names on it, something to that effect. Okay, so we have the other side on. I was just lining it up. Then what you could do is close it up, and then got glue there. You can close it up, and you kind of want to curl it. Remember we curled it? We're going to kind of push it down a little bit. Put them together, push them down, and don't have glue on your hands like I do. Go pull over one side, and this is when you could just add a little treat in there. Just pop it in at that point. And then I'm just pushing it down one more time. And I made it a little bit bigger and wider than I had some other ones. And then you can go ahead and put some twine around to hang something like this if you just want to use the file as is, or you can personalize it with a team name or something to that effect. So that's it. That's the little freebie, the little free mini football treat box. If you do like this project, or you get my freebies, I would appreciate a little like on the down at the video below, or subscribe. Well, I hope you enjoyed this project, and thanks for watching.